Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite cocktails, a Tequila Sunrise. To have a glass of Tequila Sunrise. For this I'm going to take ice, 30 ml of tequila, some orange juice, and this is the glass that I'm going to be serving it in. So I'm going to make it ready for my Tequila Sunrise. So now I'm just going to muddle this together. Now in this I'm going to drop in some red grenadine. That's about it. The color of sunrise. Throw in your stirrer, stir this up, and your Tequila Sunrise is ready to serve. I hope you've enjoyed this easy yet very tasty recipe. Please try this at home to actually experience the goodness of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you all better take care of yourselves. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a berry smoothie. For which I have with me, this is berry syrup with berries inside it, 60 ml of strawberry syrup, take about 200 grams of yogurt, ice cubes, and I'm just going to add about 5 grams of castor sugar. So for the berry smoothie, we'll use a little fancy glass, using a margarita glass. Berry smoothie served. A nice, healthy berry breakfast. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. Do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav and I say that I will see you in another episode. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Happy Holi guys! It's Holi and what happens on Holi? We all drink bhang. So this is the episode where I teach you how to make the perfect thandai for a perfect Holi. Pistachios, some almonds, some cashews, some walnut. Now to this I'm going to add a little bit of milk and just that much so that it blends. Some more milk is going to go in so that it's properly grinded. Yeah, so once that is done, it doesn't really have to be properly fine. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this thandai syrup. now our final and the most important ingredient this Holi, which is bhang. So please be cautious while you add this nasty ingredient, because the more you add, the happier your Holi will be, or not. We don't know, you can't tell. So just be very careful while handling this stuff. Wow, that's really strong. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. Ready, get, set, go. And I'm hoping this is done. Smells lovely, looks also nice. All this needs is some ice and chilling, and this drink is ready to be served. So now on top of this, I'm going to add slivers of almond. There you go. Okay guys, so this is now ready, and do try this at home. And kids, if you're watching this, do not try this at home because this is not for you. So having said that, hope you guys have a great Holi, and see you soon in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care, and I will see you soon. Hello, what's up everyone, and welcome to Desi Bites. The festival of Holi is right around the corner, and for that we have a kick-ass dessert, which is Kesar Rabdi. For this, first our hot plate to be on. We'll take a liter of milk, 1 full liter in the pan. Now the basic thing for Rabdi is, if you're taking a liter, you have to reduce it by half over a period of 40 to 45 minutes. So this is a little trick that has been taught to me by my chef in college. So while you're making rabdi, all you can do is put a wooden spoon while the milk is boiling, which will prevent the milk to touch the bottom of the pan. So you also have to constantly keep stirring, so don't forget to do that. And basically your milk has to start simmering. So keep on stirring the milk in a clockwise motion, and once your milk has started simmering, before it reaches the boiling point, you reduce the heat to a minimum, and then let the milk reduce for a good 40 to 45 minutes to get the right consistency for a. Okay guys, the milk has reduced. So right now, even if it seems a little too thin, don't worry about the consistency, because once it cools down, it will become thicker. Okay, now to this I'm going to add sugar. Please add sugar according to taste. And now I'm just going to add a touch of saffron essence in the rabdi. And now in this, you can add cardamom if you want, you can add almonds, if you want to add pistachios, you could do that, make your own little variation, and this is ready. So just going to let it cool down a little bit. Keep stirring it, take it off the thing, keep stirring it a little bit, let it cool down, and then we'll transfer it to the bowl. And now We're going to garnish this with some saffron on top. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to try this at home, and also don't forget to play a safe and have a happy Holi. All of you. See you guys. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making grilled chicken skewers with a red wine sauce. For this I have taken chicken breasts which have been sliced and put up on skewers. I've then marinated this with olive oil, black pepper, salt, chili flakes and rosemary. Now you don't really have to add rosemary, you can add any herb that you have. You can use fresh herbs or you can use dried up herbs. So salt, pepper, herbs, chili flakes and olive oil. That's about it. Let's start with making the sauce first. For the sauce we have bottled barbecue sauce that you get in the market. So I've taken some of that, add that to the pan. So this barbecue sauce, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some red wine to this. Just a little bit of red wine, glossy, give it a very good flavor with the wine. So now I'm going to put my sauce. I just put this in a glass because it's easier to pour it out. You can use the same pan because we're putting the sauce on top of the chicken anyway, so it's alright if you use the same pan. Now in this, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Pan heat up. Then I'm going to add my chicken skewers one by one. Guys, this next recipe is grilled chicken skewers in red wine sauce. This is going to take 10 to 12 minutes to get done to perfection. I'm cooking it on a slow flame so that they cook through nicely. And since I'm using chicken breast, it will cook faster than chicken leg would have cooked. This is there you have it guys, a very easy recipe to execute. So try it and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in another episode. Till then, let's take care. See you. Hello everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a Lynchburg lemonade cocktail. First what we'll do is get in some ice in the cocktail shaker. Now for this I need Jack Daniels. So I'll take 30 ml Jack Daniels in my cocktail mixer. Then I need orange liqueur or triple sec. Another measure that, little less than 30. Lemon wheels inside, important. And then you need a sweet and sour mix. So if you don't have that mixture, since if you want to make it at home, just put in some lime juice, lime concentrate and some sugar syrup. And the last thing that you need in this is some soda. Since we've added soda in the cocktail, don't make the mistake of shaking it. Just muddle it all together. You don't want this exploding all over you. And muddle it well, and we will serve it in this glass. I'm just going to rub sides with a little bit of lime because you want that zest. And your cocktail is ready. Lynchburg lemonade. Muddle it well and give it a sip. Thank you so much for watching. Do try this at home and keep watching Desi Bites for more fun videos and easy recipes coming your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, take care y'all.